In this presentation, I am going to share sonographic observations of two extremely rare cases of fetal abnormalities. The first case is that of anencephaly, which is a member in the spectrum of various neural tube defects that can be observed in a fetus. It is a disorder related to non-closure of neural tube and is characterized by a triad of occipital bone defect, spinal dysraphism, and fixed retroflexion of fetal head. The cause of this is still unknown and it is a very rare anomaly observed with a frequency of 1 in 10,000 cases. As you can see on the left hand side, there is a list of associated anomalies which are likely to be present along with anencephaly. Caution should be exercised here not to misunderstand anencephaly with similar looking abnormalities such as non-lethal Klippel-Feil syndrome, in which two or more cervical vertebrae are fused leading to retroflexion, or another anomaly like anencephaly with spinal retroflexion. The following video is a classic example of anencephaly observed in the fetus of a primigravida. As you can see, this fetus is in breech presentation and shows a big posterior fossa cyst with small hypoplastic cerebellum. Face shows stargazing appearance due to retroflexion. As you go down the spine, you can see the spine appears short with spinal dysraphism and a meningomyelocele. Here you can see the limbs which are having a fixed flexion deformity as seen in erythrogrypsosis congenita. Typical findings of anencephaly were seen in this case, and these are spinal dysraphism, retroflexion of the fetal head, posterior fossa cyst, and stargazing appearance. This is a lethal abnormality for which termination of pregnancy is advised, and karyotyping is recommended because of its reported association with chromosomal malformations. This anomaly is likely to reoccur with increased frequency of 1 in 100. Now we discuss the second case, ectopia cordis, which is a ventral body wall defect. In this abnormality, the heart of the fetus is located partially or totally outside its thorax. This is found predominantly in thoracic and abdominal region. Ectopia cordis is the aftermath of failure of closure of thoracic wall, which in turn is due to improper maturation of midline mesoderm and ventral body wall formation during embryonic development. It is an extremely rare case and is observed with a frequency of 1 in 126,000 cases. The anomalies associated with ectopia cordis are ventral body wall defects like omphalocele and intracardiac abnormalities. Ectopia cordis is a condition in the pentalogy of Cantrell along with omphalocele, sternal cleft, antidiaphragmatic hernia, and congenital heart disease. The following video is a classic example of ectopia cordis observed in the fetus of a primigravida. Here you can see that the fetus is in breech position with its heart popping out of its thorax. See that heart is beating outside the thorax. Now you can see that the great vessels are reaching the ectopic heart. The ectopic heart is located in supraumbilical region, and on the left hand side video you can see that intracardiac AVSD is also seen. In this case of ectopia cordis, presence of ectopic heart and intracardiac abnormality of atrioventricular septal defect were observed. This is also a lethal abnormality for which termination of pregnancy is advised and karyotyping is recommended because of its reported association with chromosomal malformations. This anomaly is not expected to reoccur with any further increase in its frequency.